How's your week this week? Mine was pretty good, pretty eventful. I'm gonna go inside and wash this hair now. Oh, I can't stand it anymore. Here's a sneak peek of Sunday's video. It was a beautiful day last Sunday, so I just got in my 2004 Mustang and took it out for my last Sunday spin. Of course, I haven't got a blizzard. Look at that sky. And there's my beautiful 2004 Mustang. I'm going to be sad to see her go. I have absolutely no explanation for why this is sitting in Dairy Queen's parking lot in April. Just going to get in my car and go home. I drove her to work on Monday, and then Monday night I decided I was just going to sell the car back to the people where I bought the 2017 Mustang. Got in my 2017 and started playing around with some of the personalized settings and changed them to purple. I put my Guardian Angel from Shelly in. I'm so happy with this 2017 Mustang so far. I'm driving my new 2017 Mustang to work for the very first time today, and of course it's raining a little bit, but what am I going to do about that? It just hopefully will knock some of the pollen off. And yes, I'm eating in my car because I eat on the way to work, so this doesn't exactly fit like it did with my old Mustangs, so I'll have to get a different container to put my breakfast in. That's right. Wearing a new shirt too. Yay, I made it to the end of the driveway. Let's get up and put the mail in today. Then Thursday, I drove my 2004 Mustang to the dealership, and they gave me a nice little fat check, which is sitting in my checking account now. I was sad to see her go, but happy to have gotten some money out of her, and hope she goes to a nice home, or pieces of her goes to a nice home. I think she's kind of going to be like autopsied or parceled out for pieces, but I've got to let that go. Now that's a nice blizzard. And that's a nice Mustang. They're both mine. Thank you for watching. If you have time before you go, watch another video on YouTube. I would love for you to subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and leave a comment below. How's your Saturday going?